Welcome! Have you ever wondered what major space events would happen after you're no longer on Earth? Today we're diving into the cosmic calendar. We're looking at 10 major space events slated to happen after the year 2130. These events could rewrite textbooks, redefine our place in the cosmos, or even end the world as we know it. So, buckle up, space cadets, let's get started. Comets have captivated humanity for millennia. Imagine a behemoth of ice and rock, its tail stretching across the night sky. Beyond the beauty, a comet of this magnitude could pose a significant impact risk, capable of causing widespread devastation. By 2130, the dream of establishing a permanent human presence on Mars may become a reality. Imagine a thriving colony with biodomes producing food and oxygen. From the thin atmosphere to the psychological toll of isolation, our Martian pioneers will face unique challenges. We're on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. Picture a slow, graceful waltz, a celestial embrace unfolding over billions of years. As these galaxies draw closer, their gravitational forces will distort their shapes, igniting bursts of star formation. Eventually, they will merge into a single, colossal, elliptical galaxy, transforming the night sky. The Sun, the anchor of our solar system, is not eternal. It will eventually meet its demise, billions of years into the future. As the Sun exhausts its nuclear fuel, it will swell into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. Our planet will be incinerated, a fiery demise for a world that once teemed with life. Eventually, the Sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a dense, smoldering remnant known as a white dwarf. This stellar ember will slowly cool over trillions of years, marking the end of our Sun's reign. Supernovae, the explosive deaths of massive stars, are among the most powerful events in the universe. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the constellation Orion, is one such star. When it explodes, it will light up the night sky, potentially even visible during the day. While the explosion itself poses no threat to Earth, the intense radiation from a nearby supernova could have significant effects on our atmosphere and climate. Are we alone in the universe? By 2130, we may finally have an answer. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, whether microbial or technologically advanced, would be a paradigm shift for humanity. It would force us to confront our place in the cosmos and question our assumptions about the nature of life itself. Saturn's magnificent ring system is not eternal. Gravity is slowly pulling them apart, with tiny particles losing energy and spiraling inward towards Saturn. Over time, this process will drain the rings of their material, leaving Saturn stripped bare. It's a reminder that even the most awe-inspiring celestial objects are subject to the relentless march of time. The universe is a dynamic and ever-evolving entity, and one of its most mind-boggling aspects is its expansion. Ever since the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding, with galaxies flying apart like cosmic shrapnel. This acceleration is driven by a mysterious force we call dark energy, a force we don't fully understand yet. In the distant future, the universe will become a much emptier and colder place, with galaxies pushed farther and farther apart. The International Space Station has been a constant presence in our skies for decades. But even this marvel of engineering has a finite lifespan, and eventually a decision will be made to decommission it. While the end of the ISS will mark the close of an era, it will also pave the way for new frontiers in space exploration. Earth's climate has undergone dramatic changes throughout its history, cycling between periods of warmth and intense cold. While we're currently in an interglacial period, the geological record suggests that another ice age is inevitable. It's a reminder that our planet's climate is a dynamic and ever-changing system capable of dramatic shifts. Until next time, space explorers, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. What space event are you most excited or worried about? Let us know in the comments below. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. Until next time, space explorers, keep exploring the cosmos.